Buongiorno. Today it is laundry day in Italy. I have rented an apartment and it has a lavatrice in it, which is a little tiny washing machine there. That's a good tip if you want to rent an apartment. Be sure to get one that has a washing machine. But you know what? It's hot and I've been sweating and some of my whites have turned a little bit on the yellow side, I'm embarrassed to report. So what do? Do you just throw it in the wash? It's not a good idea because that yellow stuff won't come out of the armpits. So I found a solution, and that is using salt and soap and rubbing that in the armpits, and it works. I'll show you what I'm doing. Okay, so I have a little sink here. I have some warm water with a little bit of soap, and here are my two shirts that have yellowed armpits in them. So I've just taken a little bit of this salt here, fine salt, and then I'm going to pick up my shirt where it has the yellowy armpits. You know, when you travel, you don't necessarily have stain removers with you or extra special things. So I just take a little bit of salt and then rub it in to the fabric. Okay, and then I'm going to let it soak in the soapy warm water for a little while. And then when I take it out, I'll toss it into the washing machine and we'll see what happens. Okay, and here are my results. This shirt had horrible, horrible underarm stains that were making it yellow and I couldn't even use it. And now they're gone. Look at that. The salt actually fixed my shirt that had had stains under the armpits for a while. Looks pretty good. Let's check out the white one. Got my Italian laundry hanging out here with the open window. Bright white. Look at that. Just a simple solution of warm water, salt, and a little bit of soap, and it looks good as new. So there you go. That's my travel tip for the day. Salt and getting things white. Ciao.